It is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I hopefully capture some live trading as it unfolds. Market just opened up. I have a couple fishing orders out there already on LFIN and RIOT, but Riot here is going the opposite direction. I was looking to play some sort of pullback, but as you can see here, it is bouncing. And same with LFIN. Was looking for a pullback, but this one is also heading upwards out of the opening gate. So looking like I was wrong on those directions. Not that I thought it was going to go down, but I was prepared if it did go down, and neither of those are happening. So that's how the morning has started off. Officially 1 minute in. Let's see what else is out there. All right, looking to pick up 500 shares here of LFIN at 60. And now it's bouncing back up. Was getting close. I will keep you updated. I want to chase RIOT right now, but chasing is not a good habit. So I'm just going to follow this up here, and we'll see if I can get some sort of pullback. And we'll see what happens with it. Still have an LFIN order out there at 55. And yes, I realize, Clay, you should have just bought when you said you were going to chase it. That would have been, you would be up. I know. Let's go 41.55. Actually 40.35. 40.35 on the pullback. Just double checking. So we'll see if it can get down there or not. Got a bit of ways to go, but this one can move very quickly. I was going to do it at 41.55. Did it hit there yet? Low of 41.65. So no, I still wouldn't have been filled regardless. So that is the current plan right now. But this one seems pretty strong. Let's see what happens. Holy smokes, that was fast. That was really fast. Let's see if I can get those out at 41.55. That happened literally just in a blink of an eye. It shot down there. And I'm actually getting kind of greedy here, because I was happy with a lot more than what I could possibly have gotten. Try for 39.25 if it wants to drop down there. It does not want to break up through. So let's do 41. I'm gonna let it play out here a little bit. See if we can get the bounce up through there or not. See if we can get through 41.50 or not. All right, let's see here. Let's just do 41.25. I would be interested in picking some more up down there at 39.25. Let's see what this wants to do here. All right, got out at 41.25 for 450, and it'll probably break 41.50 here now that I'm out. Because isn't that how it always goes? Let's see, just out of curiosity. Well, maybe I That's the resistance for sure right there at 41.50. And a couple times just kept getting rejected. So I just jumped in line. Still 450, what's it, 940, so 10 minutes in the day, one single trade. I will take it. I apologize, I missed the entry point, but it was literally, and I was trying. I mean, I was ready, just saying, all right, if it gets somewhat close, I'll get the video rolling, and then boom, I was filled that fast. But I do want to get ready for, if it wants to pull back some more, so yeah, 39. 39.15. I definitely want to get my order out there. All right, well, there's a breakthrough, 41.50. Although did it hit up above it? High of 41.67. So shoulda, coulda, woulda. It happens, but like I said, I need to get my 39.15 out there. Just double checking. Looking like might have a chance here if it can break down through 40. There's the break. So let's see if it can pull down there or not. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, I changed the order to 38.55. Let's see if it can move down there through 39. It is trying. All right. I'm going to go to 38.10 here. Actually, at this point in time, let's just do 38.05. See if we can pull down to that next level. All right, good. Only 7 minutes on the recording. Perfect. There it's going. See if it can keep on pulling back. Just need a little bit more room. It's trying. All right, I'm going to do this now. I think I might be getting a little too greedy trying to get 37.75, but we'll see how low did it actually go. 38.16, so I still wouldn't have been filled. But that is where the current order's at. I will pause it and do my best to capture an entry point if it happens. All right, looking for an entry point at 37.55 here. This entry point is coming from another time frame. Keep in mind, I'm looking at more than what you see on the screen here. All right, 38 being pretty stubborn. I'll let it roll just a little bit while longer. All right, I will pause. All right, just getting back. I got distracted, but looking to go short here. 500 shares at 10.45. Introductory order. All right, I got 250 shares, 300 shares. All right, I don't like the way this is slow playing me here, so I'm just going to put those down at 35, and I got those for a quick $30. 10.65, I'll try the process up there if it wants to break through 10.50. For me, you know, I reach a point where it's just slow fill, and it's, all right, if you're not going to give me what I want, then I'm just going to take what you've given me and then work with that. And as you saw there, it reached that point, but I will look to start the process again. This time though, first order, I'd like more than 500, but my first I'm not willing to do until 10.65. So let's see if the price can get up there or not. We're almost at 10 minutes. I'm gonna actually change this to 1075. I feel better about that. As I was saying though, I got distracted. My kids came in, and then one thing led to another, and before I know it, I'm out there wrestling with them. But I guess when you make $450 within that first 10 minutes or whatever, kind of puts your mind at ease. Like, all right, well, I've already made money, so it's not like there's a pressing need to do anything. So I guess you can get a little bit more distracted more easily, is what I'm trying to say. Well, I guess this makes me feel a little bit better. If you look up here, you can see 1064 was the high. So even if I had left that order at 1065, I still wouldn't have gotten filled. But I am going to leave that order out there at 1075. It is now 40 minutes into the day, but like I said, I've been distracted for the past, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. But we'll see if I can try to capture one more. But now the video is starting to get long, so I'm going to pause and be a little bit more in tune with the time. So I will not. I'm having flashbacks to RIOT, where I was trying to get the fill captured, and then it just shot up. I don't want that to happen again. But all right, I'm going to pause. All right, 1085 I move my order up to. Let's see if we can get that filled or not. Initial entry point. It's creeping its way up there. Let's see if it's actually going to do it or not. All right, pause right there. Not a fan of that. Let's go 1095. And I will keep you updated. All right, I totally forgot, but I am recording. We have a podcast interview at 11, so not that far off. So I got to go and get prepped for that. If you're not aware, I do have a podcast, a stock trading reality podcast, where I interview members of our chat room. So you can just go to claytrader.com, and under the section of podcasts, you can go and listen to those. But yeah, I got to get moving for the day. I apologize, but I don't apologize, because I caught some good trading action, and just 2 trades, but the one trade, yielded a nice little result. Before I go though, if you do enjoy these videos and you want me to keep making them, the easiest way to communicate that to me is, hey Clay, please keep making these videos. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders, you can go to claytrader.com and then look into the inner circle. That is where I send out a newsletter and where I have my watch list, and then we have a live chat room and all that, and that only costs $99 per year. And then finally, if you want to learn how to trade with charts, I do offer online training courses on that. Again, just go to claytrader.com. But again, if you don't do anything else, totally fine. But if you could click that like button, that really helps me out, and I appreciate it. So I'll see you back next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.